高齢者高齢者高齢者 mean elderly people or old people. The first kanji ko is mean high or tall or expensive, but in this case we use about tall or high. And le, the second kanji le. The second kanji le is mean about the egg. For example, you say nen le is mean you are the egg of the people. Right, so nen is mean the year, and le is mean about the egg, so it's more about your egg. So the second kanji is mean egg, le, and sha. The third kanji is sha. Sha is mean the people or the person. So when we put the kanji of ko, is mean high, and the second kanji le is mean the egg, and the third kanji sha is mean people. This mean the high egg people, right? The high egg is people. This mean the people that get older and has many year. And koleisha in this mean the word koleisha is mean the people who are about get many years. For example, 65 years old or 90 years old, right? So the people is not in the work generation. They just in the retire and don't work anymore. They get retired from the job and they just stay at home. So the people like this, they say koleisha, right? They don't work so much. Or it also means the people that get many years old, about, for example, 50, 60, 50 years old, 60 years old, or 70 years old. So are you seeing here in this sample, we say like 日本では高齢者が多い社会です。日本では高齢者が多い社会です。It means Japan is a society with many elderly people. You can say like, you can see this 高齢者が多い社会. In Japan, Japan is the country that have the length of or the statistic of elderly people. Many elderly people live in. So about 90 years old or 80 years old, right? So many of Japanese people, they can live until 90 years old or 80 years old. So in that people, they call